Today, I'll walk you through how to add or remove columns dynamically in a Power BI table or matrix visual, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a dynamic table that adjusts based on your selections, so you can enhance your data visualization experience. Let's get started by opening your Power BI dashboard. If you're using an older version of Power BI Desktop or need custom logic across wide attribute tables, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core concepts will still apply. First, we need to unpivot columns in Power Query. To do this, click on the Transform Data option located on the Home tab. This action will open the Power Query editor where we can manipulate our data. Next, select the key ID or index columns that you want to keep static. These columns will serve as the foundation for your dynamic table. Once you've selected them, right-click the header of one of the selected columns and choose Unpivot Other Columns. This step is crucial as it allows us to transform the data structure. After you unpivot, Power Query will generate two new columns, one named Attribute, which contains the old column names, and another named Value, which holds the row values. To make this clearer, we'll rename the Attribute column to Selected Attribute. Once you've done that, click Close and Apply to save your changes and return to the main Power BI interface. Now, let's build the dynamic table visual. Start by adding a slicer to your canvas using the Selected Attribute column. This slicer will allow users to choose which columns they want to display. Next, create a matrix visual by selecting the matrix option from the Visualizations pane. Now, drag the selected attribute into the columns field of the matrix visual. Then, add your primary matrix values or measures into the values field. What's exciting about this setup is that selecting items in the slicer will dynamically show or hide columns in the matrix. This means your viewers can interact with the data, making it more engaging and informative. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add or remove columns dynamically in a Power BI table or matrix visual. This functionality not only enhances your reports, but also allows for a more tailored data exploration experience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.